Okay, so in this short video, we are going to talk about how cholesterol medication could be damaging a lot of people. Although they are necessary in many instances, it's important to understand the physiology. And when you understand the physiology of it, you can understand the adverse effects and the symptoms that many people experience. One of the DINs, the DINDS, the drug-induced nutrient depletions, that's what a DIND is, the drug-induced nutrient depletions of a statin drug like simvastatin, Crestor, Lipitor, Arvastatin, these are all statins, is that they block this enzyme right here called HMG-CoA reductase. Remember, anything that ends in ACE is an enzyme. So normal cholesterol synthesis, we need cholesterol in our body because you learned about the cell. The cell is made, the cell wall has cholesterol. The nervous system, the brain has cholesterol. Neurons have cholesterol. Your sex hormones have cholesterol. After all, it's progesterone, testosterone, estrogen, right? So you need to have cholesterol for your sex hormones, which is probably why the drug companies end up, for men that are on cholesterol medication, they have Viagra for erectile dysfunction when testosterone levels start to dip. So acetyl-CoA gets converted to HMG-CoA. Now, you don't have to memorize this, just want you to understand. So HMG-CoA goes to mevalonate, goes to pherenzyl pyrophosphate, goes to squalene, eventually to produce cholesterol. Cholesterol is needed to produce antioxidants, to make hormones. But look what else is needed and what else is produced in the cholesterol pathway. CoQ10. Now, where is CoQ10 needed? CoQ10 is needed in the electron transport chain to produce ATP. So now we start to get these mitochondrial, right? This is the mitochondria. The mitochondria produces energy for us. You start to get these mitochondrial dysfunctions. And if you research mitochondrial dysfunction, oh my gosh, you're going to see mitochondrial dysfunction in autism, mitochondrial dysfunction, migraine headaches, mitochondrial dysfunction in Parkinson's and Alzheimer's and fibromyalgia, with eye disease, with kidney disease, with diabetes. These are all mitochondrial dysfunctional diseases. Many people end up experiencing a condition called myalgia. When you look at the word myalgia, the ending of it, algia, means pain. So my is muscle, myalgia, neuralgia, arthralgia. So people that are taking statin drugs and the statin drug is depleting CoQ10, creating dysfunctional mitochondria, creating less energy or ATP, muscles start to cry in pain, causing myalgia, or nerves scream out in pain, called neuralgia, because of the lack of cholesterol surrounding it. Remember, where do we have the most mitochondria, folks? Most mitochondria in muscles, in heart, and in the nervous system. So those things start to break down. People develop heart disease and heart pathologies. They get fibromyalgia. They get dementia or dementia-like symptoms. One of the big black box warning on these statins are cognitive decline, which is like Alzheimer's. Many people that are on these drugs for extended periods of time, if you look at their history and research how long they've been on them, typically it starts with the statin drug, then it leads to some heart medication because the mitochondria to the heart start to dysfunction, and then they start to create memory issues. So hopefully that gives you some really good understanding about the importance of cholesterol. And if the person needs the statin, do it wisely, at least replenish with ubiquinol. Ubiquinol. That's the CoQ10. It's called ubiquinol. Okay, take a pause here.